He keeps doing it.
What's up, buddy?
Here.
I'm sure they just have to get broken in too because they're kind of. It's almost like he's on the balls of it, on the toes. Of
Yeah.
his claws or whatever.
Yeah, that too, eh? Junior, come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Junior.
Good boy, Junior. Good boy. Go get Drea. Get the Drea.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
I remember to
Come
put
here.
these on me.
Come here. He doesn't know what to do with them.
Oh well. Take them out once in the snow when it's freezing,
Yeah.
and then put those on. And
No.
appreciate them.
No. No chewing on them. Come here. Come here.
You know what?
He's doing better with his front ones. He just doesn't know what to do.
Should